Hey guys, Ramblin Bob here again. Got some more information. We've been digging and trying to figure out what the heck this new power station is. I'm curious. Even though we have tons of power stations, we want more. We are addicted and hooked for sure. It's candy in a candy shop for sure. Okay, guys, this says Pecron Innovations. This just was released November 6th. That's today, and just popped up on the feed here. And it says new products coming soon. Can you guess what's so special about it? The excitement is building. I wonder, what does it say? See more. Okay, it says, and then it's all hashtags. Guys, this is the picture that we have here. Let me see if I can click on it. Oh snap, here we go. We got a video. Okay, let's watch it, guys. Oh, that's it? Okay, well, judging at it right away, it almost looks like it had glow in the dark, didn't it? Is that glow in the dark? Do you think, guys, I gave Pecron an idea in a video a long time ago to have lights around the system, and it almost looked like these were lighting up around these wire frames. I would be very happy about that. And then if the buttons look like they're lit up too. So hopefully they got off their butt there and actually put lights on the system like I was hoping, kind of like ambiance light. I wouldn't be mad if they took my idea. I just want to make the community better as far as the products. But this is, and I was correct. If you look closer, guys, let me see if I can zoom this bad boy in here. I don't know if I can. Okay, I can't really move it. It says, if my eyeballs are correct, it says E1000 LFP. So there you go, guys. I think that's the secret, top secret information here from Pecron. It's the E1000 LFP, and maybe they did that with the E3600. They came out with these little stickers, little green stickers, and they're like, I don't know if they were like glow in the dark or something. We didn't use ours. We just kind of stuck them to the side. I didn't like the way they looked. It's on the system. Some people did, some people didn't. But maybe these are actually buttons that actually light up. I would be happy about that. I think that's a very positive thing for Pecron, because Bluetti does light up, and all the other ones, all the other companies, EcoFlows, I think theirs light up. Like most of the power stations nowadays have some kind of reference to saying, hey, I'm on, and that way you don't leave the room and forget to turn off your system if you're not using it. So okay, well, that's just another piece of the puzzle, guys. I'm going to throw this this video up, and let me know what you think. I mean, E1000 I think is a very good middle ground for people that don't want a real big one or a real small power station. They just need something right in the middle with a good inverter. But okay, well, the suspense for us is building. All right, guys, ramble on, be safe. I'll see you next time. Bye.